Cut a mango and put salt in it. Then put it in your room and watch what happens. The mango originates originally from northwestern India and northern Burma. It was first cultivated about 5,000 years ago. Fortunately, the cultivation of mangoes has spread to all tropical and subtropical areas of the world, with Mexico being the main exporting country in the world. Thanks to its peculiar and exquisite taste, it is considered the king of tropical fruits. The tree can reach up to 30 meters in height. The trunk of gray bark is straight, cylindrical and 75-100 centimeters diameter. The fruits are oval, elongated and in the form of kidney or heart. The skin of ripe fruit adopts a range of colors ranging from green, yellow or orange to intense red. But what many people do not know is that since antiquity, mango has been used to perform healing rituals. Today we bring you with this video a ritual to eliminate negative energies. Try it on your room, to eliminate negative energies. 1. Take a plate and put a broken mango in half. 2. Pour plenty of salt. 3. Put it in your room all day. If the mango turns black the next day, you know you have bad energy. 4. You can also shred the mango with water and scrub the entire floor. With that you will achieve the same purpose. The following is an important list of the different uses you can give to the handle. 1. The aroma of the mango goes back to warm climates, spring and summer. It is a refreshing and penetrating fragrance that never goes unnoticed. Take some mangoes, cut them into several pieces and place them in several containers distributed in the rooms of your house. It will serve to aromatize and refresh your home. 2. Take a mango, cut into several slices and place in a center of table sprinkled with a little salt. This will eliminate the negativity and bad energies that circulate around your house. 3. Another trick to attract well-being and prosperity is by placing in a ceramic bowl a flour made with rice and leaning on a mango cut in half. Place this container on the refrigerator. Rice is also known as an amulet to attract